I came across this new to me book Nook company and I couldn't resist trying out one of them. Let's check out the inside. So we have a hammer, some tweezers, a screwdriver, glue, and that's one of my favorite kinds of glue. Okay, that is a nice toolkit there. There is the light kit. Test that out in a minute. Ah, book stickers and other pieces as well. Love stickers instead of papers that have to be glued. The wood pieces and some instructions. Window of the world. Okay. These look pretty detailed. Let's look at the wood pieces. Okay, these look pretty nice. That's pretty. I like that. So far, so good. Okay, here are some plastic pieces, and I know from other brands you do have to be careful when you are working with these. Let's move on. You will need to provide 2 AAA batteries, and that's very standard because of shipping restrictions. Here are all the light pieces plugged into the touchpad. Everything appears to be working. I think we are ready to start building. Of course, every library needs books. The first part of the structure is beginning to come together. Half part of the lights on, and the ground floor is getting close to being finished. Okay, second level is complete. Here we go. Staircases and more decorations. This is just leaning up against here for now, but I like those bookshelves. I finished building the World Library Book Nook Kit by Vorathis. It gives me museum vibes. Lots of details, fun elements. I always enjoy the acrylic pieces. They catch the light well. So I think that's a great detail. You were able to kind of DIY where you wanted to put all the little miniature books. So I intentionally made mine look a little bit scattered, as if people were, you know, doing research or whatnot. Thought that was fun there. The touchpad is very responsive for the lights, which I always appreciate. Those are a couple of my books that I still have the plastic on. I think this has a lot of fun details and I really enjoyed it.